Okay, good morning today. Uh, Today we'll learn what is actually a even function and odd function. And this using this concept, you have to solve some problem on Fourier series. So first of all, what is even function and what is odd function? Then we will apply the and solve the Fourier series using these concepts. So a function f of x is said to be even or symmetric. That means it's another word is symmetric even function or symmetric function if the function can be written as like this. Okay, and this is called even function. You must know from our previous lecture, y equals to x square, y equals to x to the power 4, etc. Even function. And in graphically, you can plot like this. Minus pi to plus pi, and this is the 0 which doesn't passes through the origin, and this is the even function. In that case, the definite integral from minus pi to plus pi, like this, minus pi to plus pi f of x dx can be written as 2 times 0 to pi f of x dx. In that case, this definite integral can be written as like this. For what? For even function. For even function. Now another concept for odd function, a function f of x is said to be odd function or antisymmetric function if the function can be written as like this, f of minus x equals to minus fx. So in that case, actually we get an image. Suppose minus pi to 0 and 0 to pi, same image. From this side, this will be the image. From this side, this will be the image. This is why minus pi to plus pi of x will give 2 times 0 to pi f of x dx. That means 2 times area. This is the actually area for this part. So if we multiply with 2 this area, then we get the total area. But in that case, the graph will be like this. The graph will be, and this will be passes through the origin. Suppose this types of curve, minus pi to plus pi. So how we can find this area? Actually, this is antisymmetric curve. Okay. In that case, this total area, that means from minus pi to plus pi of this curve can be found. How? Actually, this total area will be 0. Remember it, because this is the antisymmetric or odd function. So you have to remember these two concept. For even function, we can find the area 0 to pi 2 times, but for the odd function, this area will be what? 0, because this is the symmetric curve and this is the antisymmetric curve. This is the actually uh, now the expansion for even function and odd function in case of Fourier series. Odd function and even function in case of Fourier series. In that case, expansion of even function, even function for Fourier series. In that case, you must know the cost coefficient for n equals to 0. A naught can be written as 1 by pi minus pi to plus pi f of x dx. This can be written will be what? 2 divided by pi, 2 times 0 to pi f of x dx. This will be the reduced formula. Now for the other cost coefficient, that means for n greater than 0, for n equals to 1, 2, etc. This can be written as like this: minus pi to plus pi. This will be f of x cos nx dx. This will be 2 times 2 divided by pi 0 to pi cos nx dx. Similarly, the sin coefficient will be what? Here, remember that f of x and cos nx, f of x and cos nx are even function. Remember it. This cos function will not pass us through the what? Origin. This is why cos this will be, because cos 0 equals to 1, so it does not pass through the origin. This is why this both function are even function. Remember it. So for this even function, we have to find these two like this. Again, we have to remember that multiplication of two even function also an even function. Remember it. The multiplication of two even functions, suppose this and this even function, will be also give the even function. That means here even plus even equals to what will be? Even. Sorry, multiplication. Even multiplication function will be what? Also even function. You have to remember this concept. Again, and sin coefficient bn equals to what will be? 1 by pi minus pi to plus pi f of x sin nx dx. What will be? 0, because sin nx is odd function and f of x is what? Even function. Here sin nx is what? Odd function and f of x is what? Even. So the product will be what? That means odd multiply even. What will be? Odd multiply even. What will be?
Even, sir.
Odd function. Odd multiply even equals to odd. In that case, the area will be what? The total area will be 2 times. That means this area will be what? 0, antisymmetric curve. For odd function, we get antisymmetric curve. This is why the sin coefficient will be 0. We have to remember this.
স্যার
In case of what? Even
বোর্ডটা
function.
দেখা যাচ্ছে
In
না
case of even function, remember it.
স্যার ক্যামেরাটা একটু দিকে নিলে ভালো হতো, বোর্ডটা ফুললি আসতেছে না।
Hello. So the expansion of even function of Fourier series, the cos coefficient for n equals to 0 will be what? N not equals to this 2 times, because f of x is even function, and also the cos coefficient for other values of n other than 0 and equals to what will be 1 by pi minus pi to plus pi f of x cos nx dx. 2 by pi 0 to pi, that means 2 times, because this is the symmetric curve, because this is even function and cos also even function, both are even function, and we must know even multiply even what will be also even function. Now other coefficient, sin coefficient bn equals to what will be 1 by pi minus pi to plus pi f of x sin nx dx. But here f of x is even function, but sign what will be odd function. This is why their multiplication what will be odd function. In that case, the area, that means total definite value of definite integral of this will be what? 0. So this will be the expansion of even function for Fourier series. Now for the other one, that means expansion of an odd function. Expansion of what will be odd function of for Fourier series, what will be? You must know, if f of x is the odd function, then a naught, and here f of x is what? F of x odd function. In that case, if f of x is the given function is odd function, then in that case a naught will be what? A naught will be 0 by the definition of odd function. This will be what? 0, and other value and other cos coefficient for n greater than 0 and equals to what will be 1 by pi minus pi to cos f of x cos nx dx. But here f of x is odd function, remember it, and cos will be what? Even function. So here odd multiply even. This is why this will be what? Odd. This also odd. This is why this total value will be what? In that case 0, because the definite integral for odd function will give the result what? 0, because this odd function means what? Antisymmetric. Here f of x is odd, but cos nx is even function. In that case, the n value what will be? 0. Now what will be the sign coefficient value? Sign coefficient sin bn equals to 1 by pi minus pi to f of x sin nx. What will be the value? This will be 2 times 0 to plus pi f of x sin nx dx, because this is the f of x is what here? f of x will be what? Odd. We consider this f of x is what? Odd function, and sin nx what? Sin nx what? Also odd. Also is odd. Also odd. So the product will be odd multiply odd. What will be? Even. Odd multiply odd will be what? Even. But you must know, for the even function, the definite integral of definite integral for this product, that means definite integral for this even function will give the result what? 2 times 2 divided by 2 times of the area between 0 to pi of that even function. Okay, so you have to remember, for the expansion of odd function, that means if f of x is odd function, in that case we have to apply this formula, and if f of x is even function, we have to apply the previous one. Remember it. Okay, now an important example connecting to the actually odd function and even function for the Fourier series. Find the Fourier series expansion for the periodic function of period twice pi. F of x equals to x square, and x lies between minus pi to plus pi. That means minus pi less than equal to x less than equal to pi. Hence, find the sum of the series 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by thrice square minus 1 by 4 square plus dot dot. That means our given function what actually here? Our given function, given f function is f of x equals to x square, which is even function. Even function as f of minus x equals to what? F of x. If we replace x equals to minus x here, we get minus x whole square equals to what? X square. X square means what? F of x. That means f of minus x equals to f of x. So our given function is even function. We have to remember it. Our given function is even function. So now if we want to find, so you must know for this even function, bn equals to what will be? Bn equals to, in case of even function for the Fourier series, we must know bn equals to what will be? 0. Bn equals to 0. And a naught equals to what will be? A naught from the definition for the even function of the Fourier series, a naught equals to what will be? Twice pi, 2 divided by pi, 0 to pi, f of x dx. So in that case, 2 divided by pi, 0 to pi, f of x equals to what? X square dx. 2 divided by pi, x square integration what will be? X cube by 3. X cube by 3. Then putting the upper limit and lower limit. This equals to 2 divided by pi and pi cube by 3. Okay. So 1 pi will be cancelled. So we get twice pi square by 3. So the cost coefficient for n equals to 0, that means n naught equals to what? Twice pi square by 3. Now other cost coefficient greater than 0, that means n, what will be n? 2 divided by pi, 0 to pi, f of x cos nx dx. F of x is even, remember it, f of x is even, but cos is what? Odd function or even function? What?
Even function, sir.
So in that case, we can find the value, just putting the value of f of x, 2 divided by pi, 0 to pi, f of x equals to x square cos nx dx. Now this will be what? UV process. Okay, UV process. 2 divided by pi. Now x square into cos integration what? Sine nx divided by, dividing with the coefficient of what? X minus x square differentiation what? X square differentiation twice x.
Twice
Again
x.
this integration. Sine integration what? Minus cos nx divided by what will be? N square. Okay. Plus twice x differentiation what? 2. Again integration of this what will be? Minus sine nx divided by what will be? N cube. Now 0 to pi limit. So after putting x equals to pi here, we get what? Actually 2 divided by pi. After putting pi, this will be sin n pi means what? 0. And this will be what? Cos n pi. Minus minus plus. So twice pi cos n pi divided by n square. Now this also 0. For after putting x equals to pi, we get sin n pi equals to what? 0. Now putting x equals to 0, this also 0 and this also 0, but this also 0. So we get only this one after putting upper limit and lower limit. So we get this pi will be cancelled. Understand? Cancelled, and 4 and cos n pi you must know minus 1 to the power n. This divided by n square. Actually, you can plot this one like this for different values of n. Suppose this is the f of x, and this is the x-axis, and this is the negative part of x-axis, and this is the origin 0. So we can write f of x equals to x square carve this one, and at this is the vertex for this, and we can write another one like this. Okay, and we get this one. Okay, and this will be minus pi and minus thrice pi. This also thrice pi, and this is the plus pi. So the Fourier series is, therefore the Fourier series is, what will be, f of x equals to a naught divided by 2 plus a1 cos s, a2 cos twice x plus dot dot plus n cos nx. Actually, I am not writing b term, that means plus b1, b2, b1 sin x, b2 sin 2x, all are 0. This is why I am not writing. Therefore, x square equals to, f of x equals to what was? X square. This is the given function, and this is even function. A naught equals to what? A naught twice pi square by 3. So after twice pi square by 3 divided by 2, what will be? 2 will be cancelled, only pi square by 3 plus. But here for every odd, for every odd and for every even, we get the value like this: minus cos x divided by 1 square cos twice x for n equals to 2. This will be what? 2 square cos thrice x divided by thrice square minus cos 4x divided by 4 square. This is a series. Now, if x equals to 0, if x equals to 0 in this series, then we get what? Actually, cos 0 equals to 1. Okay, so we get our this series 1 by 1 square minus 1 by twice square plus 1 by thrice square minus 1 by 4 square plus dot dot. This equals to what will be? Pi square by 3, and dividing by 4 on both sides, we get pi square by what? 12. This is our required pi square by what? 12. We get the sum of this series. This is our required result. Understand everybody?
Sir, bn is equal to 0 এটা কোথা থেকে আসছে?
If which one?
Sir,
If
bn
bn for
Mhm.
even function. If the given function is even function, we must know bn equals to 0. Before this maths, we have given two cases. One for odd function, for even function, for the expansion of even function in Fourier series, and then for the expansion of odd function for Fourier series. Because the given function is even, this is why bn equals to 0. But if the given function is odd, then an equals to 0. Remember it. Understand?
জি স্যার।
Hello? Actually, we have used here a formula like this. Suppose I have integration of u into b dx. Okay, here u equals to what? X square, and b equals to what? Cos nx. So in that case, we have to use u into integration of b. Remember it. This suffix is used for integration. U into integration of b minus differentiation of u. Differentiation of u, again integration of b. Integration of b will be how many times? 2 times. That means b1 integration what? b2 plus u differentiation, second differentiation, again differentiation of u, then again integration of b2, that means b3, minus differentiation of u2, that means u3, differentiation of u2 what? u3, and again integration of b3 integration what will be? b4. In this way we have to proceed. This is the formula for n times differential integration, n times integration of UV process, n times integration of UV process. Suppose u equals to x square and b equals to what? Cos nx. Then x square, that means u into integration of b, integration of cos what? Cos nx. This sine, cos integration what? Sine, dividing with the coefficient of what? N. Now x square differentiation what? Twice x, minus for minus. Now twice x. Again integration of this, sine integration what? Minus cos. Sine integration what? Minus cos. Again dividing with the coefficient of x, that means n square. Now plus differentiation of twice x what? Differentiation of twice x 2. Okay, differentiation of twice x will be 2. Now integration of minus cos nx what will be? Minus sin nx. Again dividing with the coefficient of x, that means again division of n, what will be? N cube. Now these 2 cannot be differentiated again, because 2 differentiation what? 0. This is why we have to stop with these 3 term, because differentiation of 2 is 0. This is why we are not continuing. Now you have to apply this series for in every cases. Remember it. So we must remember that if the given function is even, then bn equals to 0, and if the given function is odd, then n equals to 0. We have to remember this concept. Now another example 2 for odd function. How we can find the Fourier expansion in case of the given function is odd. Okay, find the Fourier series expansion for the periodic function of period twice pi. That means if the given function f of x equals to x cube and x lies between minus pi to plus pi, we obviously observe that the given function is what? Odd. So in that case, we must know the given function. The given function is f of x equals to what? X cube, which is odd function. See as what? F of minus x equals to what? Minus f of x. If we put x equals to minus x here, x equals to minus x, then you get what? Minus f of x. Okay, minus x cube. If we put minus x here in replace of x, we get minus x cube. That means it will be satisfied what? F of minus x equals to minus f of x. This is why the given function is odd function. Now we must know that if the given function is odd from our previous cases, the Fourier expansion in case of odd function, we must know n not equals to what? 0, and also what? 0. You must know. You have to remember that the cos coefficient of for n equals to 0 to infinity will be what? 0. Now the bn will be bn, what will be? 2 divided by pi 0 to pi f of x sine nx dx. Given function is also odd and sine also odd. So odd multiply odd. will give what? Even function. This is why in case of even function, we can calculate the area. Otherwise, the area will be 0. So Bn equals to 2 by pi 0 to pi f of x sin nx. F of x given function, odd function, and sin also odd function. Odd multiply odd, what will be? Even. So in this case, we can find the definite integral value. Otherwise, the value of definite integral will be 0. Sin nx dx. Now, what will be the procedure? You must use the UV process formula. So UV process formula, you must know U into integration of sine what? Integration of sine minus cos dividing with the coefficient of n minus differentiation of u, that means thrice x square. Differentiation of x cube will be thrice x square into again integration of this, integration of minus sin nx divided by n square plus differentiation of thrice x square, what will be? 6x. Again integration of this, sin integration what? Minus cos. So this will be minus minus plus cos nx divided by what? Again dividing with by n. So n cube. This will be n cube. Now again differentiation of 6x, what will be? Again differentiation of 6x, only 6. So integration of this, what will be? Cos sine. Again dividing by coefficient of x. Lower limit will be 0, upper limit will be pi. Now we have used the formula UB. But u into integration of b minus u differentiation integration of again b1 plus u differentiation again integration of b2 in this way. This is the main integration formula for us. Now putting the upper limit pi, 2 divided by pi. So this will be after putting we get minus pi cube cos n pi divided by what? N. Now sin n pi means 0. You must know sin n pi is 0. So this also 0 for x equals to pi. Now another one, this one plus 6 pi cos n pi divided by n cube. Now putting x equals to 0, this also 0, and this also 0, this also 0, and this also 0. So we get only these values after putting upper limit and lower limit. So this is the pi cube, remember it, pi cube. We can common cos n pi and pi also. So pi will be cancelled. Cos n pi means cos n pi, 2 into cos n pi pi square by n minus pi square by n plus pi also gone, and 6 divided by n cube. 6 divided by n cube. Okay. So 2 minus 1 to the power n. You must know cos n pi equals to minus 1 to the power n. So minus pi square by n plus 6 by n cube. So the value of Bn will be like this. Now the Fourier series, is f of x equals to what was n naught by 2, all n will be cancelled because n naught equals to 0 and n equals to 0. So b1 sin x, b2 sin twice x, b3 sin thrice x, and b1 b0 not possible because sin 0 equals to 0. This is why. So just putting, or f of x equals to what? X cube. Now b1 equals to what will be, after putting n equals to 1 here, putting n equals to 1 here, we get 2 minus 1 to the power 1, we get minus what will be, minus pi square by 1 plus 6 by 1 square sin x. Now for b2, n equals to 2 minus pi square by 2, 6 by 2 cube. And then putting b3, n equals to 3. This is the actually required result for us. Understand everybody? Just putting f of x equals to x cube and bn equals to and bn values. If we put n equals to 1, then we get b1. If n equals to 2, then b2. And if n equals to 3, then b3. In this way, we can find the Fourier expansion of the given function f of x equal to x cube, which is odd function. And we have applied the method for the expansion of Fourier series, what? Odd function. In case of odd function, what will be the Fourier expansion? We must know earlier of the solving example. Now another part, half range series. In case of 0 to pi, half range series for Fourier series. Now if f of x is even, suppose f of x is even function, then Fourier cosine series. Fourier cosine series will be like this: 2 divided by pi, 0 to pi, f of x cos nx dx. And bn equals to what will be? 0. This is first formula, and second formula will be what? Fourier sine series. Sine series, bn equals to what will be? 2 divided by pi, 0 to pi, f of x sine nx dx, and b and n equals to what will be? 0. Remember it. So this is the formula for half range series. That means half range series means in case of Fourier cosine series, we have to apply this, and in case of Fourier sine series, we have to bn equals to this. Okay, but remember that f of x will be even. So now we'll try an example in that case. And this is example 3. Represent the following function. Function f of t equals to t, f of t equals to t when 0 less than equal to pi by 2, and f of t equals to pi by 2 if pi by 2 less than t less equal to only pi. Actually this function lies between 0 to pi by a sine series, a part of Fourier series, only sine series. This is why half range. This is also called half range of Fourier series. That means only sine series. Now solution will be like this. Given function f of t, t will be 0 less than t less equals to only pi by 2, and f of t equals to pi by 2 if pi by 2 is less than t less equals to only pi. We have to find out the only sine series. Remember it, only sine series. So we know now for sine series, bn equals to what will be 2 by pi 0 to pi f of x sine nx dx, and n equals to what will be 0 in case of only sine series. So we can find, after putting from our given function 2 divided by pi, now 0 to pi, actually there are, we can write like this, 0 to pi by 2 f of x sin nx dx plus pi by 2 to only pi f of x sin nx dx. Okay, just this total limit 0 to pi can be divided into two parts according to our given piecewise function. Okay, so 0 to pi, between 0 to pi limit, 0 to pi limit f of x, f of t equals to what? This will be t, remember it. Variable will be t, and this will be dt. I'm doing wrong here. Variable will be t, remember it. Independent variable is t here, dt. All will be t. So f of t equals to, between 0 to pi by 2, f of t equals to what? Only t. Okay, sin nt dt plus, between this pi by 2 to plus pi, f of t equals to what? F of t equals to only pi by 2 sin nt dt. Okay, now here UV process, we have to apply UV process for this case. U into integration of sine what? Minus cos, dividing with the coefficient of n, dividing with the coefficient of n, minus differentiation of t with respect to t what? 1. Again integration of minus cos, what will be? Minus sine t divided by with the coefficient of t, n square. Okay, but here limit will be between what? 0 to pi by 2 plus 2 divided by pi. For this, pi by 2 is the constant. Now sine integration what will be? Minus cos, dividing with the coefficient of n. Now between upper limit and lower limit. Now putting the value of limits, that means upper limit, we get cos n pi. Okay, cos n by n pi by 2, cos n pi by 2, and t equals to pi by 2 minus cos n pi by 2 divided by n again sine n pi by 2, sine n pi by 2 divided by n square. Pi will be cancelled, 2 will be cancelled. We get 1 by n cos n pi by 2 minus cos n pi. This equals to 2 divided by pi
মাঝের সাইনটা পজিটিভ হবে স্যার।
cos n pi by 2
সাইনটা স্যার প্লাস হবে, মাইনাস মাইনাস প্লাস।
minus pi by 2 minus sine n pi by 2 by n square.
This sign will be
But-
positive, sir.
Okay. For now for 0, this will be 0 and this also 0. T equals to 0, this also 0 and this also 0. This is why you have not put actually t equals to 0 value. All value will be 0 for that. Now cos n pi by n. Okay, this will be actually pi by 2 to pi. Remember it, pi by 2 to pi. So this will be cos n pi by n minus cos n pi by 2 divided by n. Okay, this is the value of Bn actually, Bn. Now B1 equals to what will be? If B1 equals to what? If we put n equals to 1, then 2 by pi, n equals to 1 will be what? Minus pi by 2, n equals to 1 cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 minus what will be? Sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2. Actually, this minus will be plus. Sin pi by 2 plus, now again putting n equals to 1 here, minus cos pi minus plus cos pi by 2. Actually, this equals to what? Minus cos pi by 2 minus pi by 2 cos pi by 2. So twice by pi cos pi equals to minus 1, and cos pi by 2 equals to 1. So minus 1 minus what? Plus 1 minus 1 what will be? 0. And cos pi by 2 equals to 0. Sin pi by 2 equals to only 1. So after calculating, we get twice pi by 0 plus 1, twice pi by 2 plus 1. This is the value of B1. Now similarly B2, what will be B2? Now B2 will be just putting n equals to 2 here. We get B2 equals to twice pi by 2 divided by pi minus pi by 2 cos twice pi by 2, that means cos n pi, cos pi minus pi by 2 cos pi divided by 2 plus sin pi divided by 2 square. plus for this one cos twice pi divided by 2 plus cos pi by 2. Which after calculating from this, cos pi equals to -1. Remember it, cos pi equals to -1 and cos pi by 2 equals to 0, cos 90 degree equals to 0. So from this we get actually 1 by -half. -1 by half. Similarly, we get the B3. Similarly, we get B3 after putting n equals to 3 here. N equals to 3, putting n equals to 3 here, we get B3 equals to, just after calculation and putting sin pi equals to -1 and sin 90 degree or pi by 2 equals to 0, we get -2 divided by 9 pi plus 1 by 3 and so on. We can calculate any Bn. So just putting these B1, B2, B3, we get the required Fourier series. So required Fourier series, what will be? Fourier sine series. Sine series will be f of x equals to B1 sin x, B2 sin twice x plus B3 sin thrice x plus dot. So therefore f of t equals to what will be? Just putting the value B1, B2, B3. This will be the result. Okay, now another similar example. Just we have to find out the Fourier sine series of f of x equals to e to the power x for 0 less than equal to x, 0 less than x less than pi. That means x lies between 0 and pi. But actually x equals to not 0 and pi. Now the given function, first of all, we have to remember there the integration, actually the integration of e to the power x and sine bx formula. What you must know, e to the power integration of e to the power x sine bx formula. This is a formula for finding this indefinite integral. Write down this e to the power x divided by a square plus b square. A sine bx, a sine bx minus b cos x. We have to remember this formula. Now we are given the function is e to the power x. This is the given function. Now if we find out if you want to find out the Fourier sine series, for this, Bn equals to what will be? And limit will be 0 to pi f of x sine nx dx, but n will be 0. So putting the value of 2 divided by pi 0 to pi f of x equals to what? E to the power x sine nx dx. Okay, so just putting this formula here, e to the power x divided by a square, and b means what here? N square, then a sine nx minus n cos x. Okay, limit will be what? 0 to pi. Now just putting the limit, upper limit and lower limit. just putting n equals to x, x equals to what? Pi. Sin pi will be 0. So minus n cos a pi minus putting x equals to 0, we get sin 0 equals to 0, but only cos minus n, minus minus plus n. Okay, this will be the minus n sin n pi, minus n sin n pi. Sorry, minus a into minus sin n pi minus n into cos a pi, and now putting 0, this will be the our findings formula. So we can write this one like this: 2 divided by pi, 2 divided by pi n divided by a square plus a square plus n square minus minus 1 to the power n e to the power a pi plus 1. To the power a pi. Plus n divided by a square plus n square. So we can calculate easily. This is bn. Now if n equals to 1, b1, just putting n equals to 1 here, we get b1. bn equals to what will be 2, 1 plus e to the power a pi divided by 1 square a square plus 1, and b2 what will be, just putting n equals to 2 here, 2 into 2, 1 plus 1 minus e to the power a pi divided by a square plus 2 square into pi. And similarly b3 will be what? You can find then Fourier series, Fourier sine series. F of x equals to what? b1 sin x, b2 sin twice x, b3 sin thrice x into dot dot. So f of x equals to what? E to the power x. E to the power x equals to what will be? b1 values divided into sin x. So 2 divided by pi, common for each term, then 1 plus e to the power a pi divided by a square plus 1 plus next term 1 minus e to the power a pi divided by a square plus 2 square. In this way, this is the Fourier sine series for the given function, and this is the required result for this. Understand everybody? Hello? Understand? Okay, Khuda Hafiz. Best wishes for you.